is the world-famous Çubuk Pickle made in 1 minute?
How is Çubuk Pickle made in 1 minute? I'm addressing the ladies. Garlic, a pinch of garlic.
Hot pepper.
Black pepper is essential for pickles.
Bay leaf.
Flour, dill.
Now we start putting in the cucumber. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful.
I'm putting garlic on it again.
Hot pepper.
Flour, dill.
Now I'm adding the water. Vinegar and salt. The water is natural well water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Our pickles will hopefully be ready in 25 days.
We let this sit for 1 day to release the gas. We close it in the morning. It has a fermentation period of 25 days. We store it in a dark, cool place. Famdut tamama. Dije makedaki. We let this sit for 1 day. In the morning, we close the lid to let the air and gas escape. After that, it will turn into pickles. That's it.
How many days is this about?
25 days.